to just tell you about my experience with healthy hair. So when I bought the package deals, they started right away to ask me for my information to build my website. I was like, wow, I didn't expect it to be so quick. They built my website and they were so amazing. The web team was so amazing. They were so patient and comprehensive, and I thank you guys for that, because I was very, very skeptic, like, is that a scam or something like that? But you guys knew how to get it out of my mind. 3 days after I bought the package, they sent me the hair sample. I had to try it, so I kind of messing it up everywhere in water, in sand, and wash it after, and it was really, really good. I was kind of surprised. So the hair quality is very nice, very good. Thumbs up. So thank you very much. You are so amazing, Julia. Thank you.